Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami Roblox logo. So this is a super simple model, and as you can see it looks like the real thing. So let's get started. Start with a two-colored sheet of paper and start by folding in half. Now open it up and then fold in half again. Then you are going to make a blend space, which is pretty much this. And then you're going to fold all of these to the middle. Okay. And now, once you have this, you're going to open this up and then fold it to the middle, but don't fold all the way. Only make a small crease right here and then in the middle. And then you're going to take this and then fold this one to the middle here like this. So now it looks like this. And you're going to do that on all the remaining sides, and you can use this one as a reference. So you can fold all these back. And then you're going to crease sharply on them. And then you're going to open it up and then reverse the fold. So it was a valley fold, now you're going to make it a mountain fold. So you can maybe make it with different colored paper, but I chose to use green and silver because I think that looks like it. And now you're done. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.